y'all. I'm about to do a crawfish boil. I'm gonna let y'all see it. This ain't that special today. I'm just gonna do a little, show y'all how I do my crawfish boil. So stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. I got a stock pot right here. And I'm just gonna fill this up like, it's a big stock pot, so I'm not gonna do a lot of water in it. But this is gonna, that's how I'm gonna start mine. Fill this up halfway. I'm gonna show y'all what I do next. Fill this up about right there. Stock pot is pretty big, so we're gonna go halfway right now. Alright. Filling it up, filling it up. And I'm gonna use some crawfish and shrimp, crab boil. My favorite. It's by Zatarain's. Y'all know Zatarain's. Yep, go back and look at my Zatarain's video. Alright, so this is enough. Okay, we're gonna start the boil. I'll show y'all what I do next. Be back. So, I didn't show it y'all, but the only thing I put in here was 6 lemons. Squeezed the juice out of them. I put the crab boil in. I put some garlic in here. Some bay leaves in here. Some, what else? Put a whole onion right there, you see. I put some little accent in there because you know I use my accents. And, what else did I put in there? Yeah, that was it. That was it. Just the lemons and the accent, the onion, and the crawfish boil. And I put 2 sticks of butter. So, that is it on that. I'm finna let that come to a boil. I already got my potatoes in here. I put my potatoes in whole, so I cook them first. Then I'm gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna put my corn in, and take that out. And then I'm put my eggs in, and then I'm put the crawfish in. So I'm bring it to a boil a few times, but I'm gonna cook the potatoes first and the corn first. I'll show y'all that too. So there you go. I'm gonna show y'all my sausage. This is the sausage that I'm using. Y'all can see that. Conical Cajun smoked sausage. And I got my corn. Yup. I'm gonna put some eggs. I'm gonna put about a few eggs in here. So I'm gonna cut these 3 packs up, put in there. Yes, honey. And get this crawfish boiling, baby. Alright. Be back. So I added my corn. Let this go about 10 minutes. Got my sausage cut up. Okay. Got my sausage cut up. And I'm about to drop some eggs up in here. So 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And I'm going to drop these in. Let this go for another 10 minutes. My potatoes still in there. They had to cook a little long because they was bigger. So 20 minutes on the potato. 10 minutes on the corn. And I'm about to cover this back up. And then we're going to put our sausage on. Yep. Show y'all next. What's next? Alright. Okay. Got my corn ready. Got my potatoes done. And I'll put my sausage in. And I'm about to put my eggs in there. So, yep. I'll be back in a minute. So, got my eggs boiled. I'm gonna peel them in a minute, I guess. And I got my sausage. They done. Let me show you. The sausage and the corn and the potatoes. I guess I'll make my butter sauce or something. Put on them. And I'll show y'all the crawfish. I got them going. So I'll show y'all those when they come out. Alright. Okay, y'all, got my crawfish boiled. And letting them soak right now. If you know you boil your crawfish, you let them soak. You gotta let them soak for about 15 minutes at least. Get all this seasoning in there. So let them soak for about 15 minutes. They soaking. Get all them good seasonings. Seasonings. Give about another 10 minutes. Let it soak about another 10 minutes. So I'll let that soak about another 10 minutes. So I boil them on high for about 30 minutes. I don't even think you gotta boil them for that long, but I boil them for like 30 minutes. And I cut them off because if you don't cut them, they will bust out of the pot. I didn't show y'all this part, but they will bust up out of the top if you don't, watch them. They'll bust up out of the pot. So I'm gonna get these drained, and after they soak for 10 minutes, I'm gonna drain them, and then I'm gonna pour them over in my two pans I have here. And I will let y'all see when I'm done how they look. Okay, and there's my. I peeled the eggs. Peeled the eggs already. So got the eggs peeled. Potatoes. There's a lot of butter on it. Sausage, corn. And so I'll be back when these get through soaking, and I'll let y'all see once I'm done. All right, y'all. Finish the boil. Let it soak for 10 minutes. This is it after the 10 minutes. So I ended up with all the dish. Got your potatoes, sausage, eggs, and I have 2 pans. I used 3 bags of crawfish. So I think the bag, I don't know what the pound is. Let me see what that pound is on that bag. So I can tell you how many pounds I used. It's one more bag down there. Right here. So I'm about to tell y'all how many pounds this is. Because I used 3. I'm going to show y'all the brand too that I used. They frozen crawfish. I bought them out of Hayes. Okay, it's a 5-pound bag. So this is 15 pounds of crawfish. One pan I did. And that's the other pan. Let me see the name of it. So I can show them the name. This is the name of them, y'all. I got one more bag left. And that's a 5-pound bag. Gotta keep them frozen. So that's them. Frozen whole. Cooked. They already cooked. So you just steaming them a little bit. Or boiling them for a minute or 2. It's called alpha con. So that is that. And that is it. I have 4 bags. But I only cooked 3. So it's 15 pounds. And there it is. 15 pounds of crawfish. That's how you do a crawfish boil on the stovetop. Thank you guys for watching the channel. I love you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Peace. There it is, guys. Finished. Crawfish. Got that old mud bug. You see it. Some good sausages. If y'all ever find those sausages, go back to the beginning of my video and look at the name of them. They some good sausages. Egg. Corn got a little overcooked because I put it back in the juice. It was still hot. And that potato is so good. About to grab me a cold drink. Maybe a Sprite. Tap out. Thank y'all for watching. Love you.